Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below, and if it's a normal website, it'll be in the description. It'll be down in the description. Definitely check these guys out. Thank you for sending me this unit for review, and hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. It's always a good thing. We got a heat wave going. It is definitely hot outside. It's a good time to stay in and relax and take it easy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one for all you cable cutters out there. Definitely check out these guys. You'll be very happy you made this purchase. Trust me. Endless amounts of entertainment, powered by Android. Give me a second. I got a good package. Well, I like this packaging. Nice. This is a S3 Pro SEEKBOX. Look at this. Android 11, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 6.0, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs eMMC, gaming, 4K Dolby, not Kobe, Dolby, just as good. And trust me, this has everything. You can always add your apps to it too, like Disney Plus, YouTube TV, Netflix, Paramount Plus, ESPN Plus, or whatever they want to call it, Paramount Plus, HBO Max, and of course the NFLs, the NHLs, the NBAs, MLB, baseball season, All-Star break is going on now, so definitely you can catch up. Maybe watch some golf, rugby. Oh, this is tiny little dude. This is nice. Check out this setup. Got a fancy parchment paper. Ooh. You guys did a really nice job. That's my new favorite one to get. So we got some goodies in here. You're going to need probably AAA remote or AAA batteries for the remote, which you can buy them on Amazon unless they come with them. But Amazon has good batteries, so for the price, definitely check them out. Okay, we'll keep it. Oh man, yeah, this is definitely a nice box. Really impressed. Here we go. SEEKBOX. Oh, man, this thing is tiny. This is like the smallest one I've got from the other companies. Definitely. You can take this on the road with you. Be easy to store. Look at this thing. Here's a back. Type C, SPDIF, LAN, HDMI, AV, side, some USBs, TF slot. Okay. Nice. Yeah, this is super lightweight. Definitely excited. We're going to test it out at the end. Let's see how the power cable is. Probably just like the others. Hopefully. Oh, it's different. Oh, kind of USB. Nice. Excellent job with this setup. HDMI. I don't need them because I already got a spot for these. Remote tie. Here's another key factor. Some of the other ones are not that good. So, from the other companies that I've done. Oh yeah, this feels good. Definitely. The remote is pretty important, I think. in this situation. But you can also use those mini keyboards. You can always find a good Android one they have on the market, aftermarket, and link it up with that. See right there, Netflix, YouTube Prime, Disney Plus. Yeah, this feels good. Really nice job. So you're gonna need AAA. I hope I have some. If not, I'm gonna have to do some instant carding. But yeah, definitely. I'm not sure this is plug and play, ready to go type deal. Hopefully it is. Okay, bam. Okay, alright, next, hop over the computer right by my TV monitor. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. We are loading up right now. Here we go. Give it a second. So look at that, really tiny. I gotta clean up a little bit around here. But we got a few minutes to kill. We'll be right back. And we made it. So I think we're going to want the Neo VOD. That thing download. But you get your day and time up there. Pretty nice layout. See how easy install. Everything's safe. No worries on this side. You'll be good to go. And check out the newest, whatever you want to watch on your TV or monitor or wherever you, while using the app. Allow movies. I love boosters. I never heard of these. Series, HBO, American Gladiators. I haven't seen the new ones yet. I will, hopefully. We got more. It's a really nice layout though. Look at that. Nice and bright, easy to use. Oh, this might be my new favorite one. So you gotta go 2026, which is now. We got Airbender. I think that's that dude's name. So a lot of choices. I'm not gonna show any video just because of the copyrights and stuff. So Clash in Italy, some wrestling. And of course, you get your live TV with everything. Once you click on that, download that. But like I said, if you have your Hulu, you can be your major hub. So this is really nice. And you can hook up your Bluetooth soundbars to it, speakers, everything else you need to get. But like I said, I wish I could show you the quality of the videos. But due to copyright, I'm not going to take the risk. But you can trust me. This thing is really nice. And it's easy. Oh, E&E. Oh. Maybe a quick boom boom. There you go. But yeah, this is good. Excellent quality. Maybe we'll catch the bottom. You can see. Nice colors. Nice keyboard right there. Okay, dokie. But yeah, this has everything. There's more DLC you can have. Like I said, you could pop up your TF card. We got Kodai. I haven't messed with Kodai too much in a long time. Let's see if this thing pops off. So yeah, super tiny. Look at that thing right there, perfect. Preparing first run. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the new Kodi system, so hopefully it's all the same. Music, TV show. Okay, so you have to add a browser. Okay, I'll do that some other time. Neo TV. Whoops. But yeah, pretty much that's the one you want. The Neos, Neo VOD, Neo TV are the main ones you want. Download, update. And like I said, there's other ones you could choose from internationally. So you name it, this has everything. Great for kids. They got tons of kids content. And I mean, it's endless. hours of entertainment right here. Super portable, super lightweight. Then you got your Spotify. You could do interfaces, Navi, Emoton UI TV launcher, X3 launcher, Wolf launcher. Holy smokes. Primal TV, Cancer launcher. I never even heard of these guys. So, but thank you guys for keeping me up to date with the newest thing. This Russian TV, Mother Russia. French, France, film TV, categories. You got social media, sequences. This thing's awesome, guys. Weather. I don't think weather has a copyright. Unless it's a weather channel. But that works. Everything is good to go. And you can always upload your pictures, videos, whatever you have on your TF card, and just upload it. You're good to go. So, updater, I think I already did that. But this is awesome. Check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good night.